Welcome to GemHub Tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to create a personalized jewelry collection to share with your customers in just seconds. Whether you're highlighting new arrivals or running a special promotion, GemHub makes it effortless to share a beautifully formatted collection with your customers in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. To start, navigate to Collections. This is where the magic happens. Click Create Collection and choose between an automatic collection, where you can filter your collection by product type, price, or other criteria, or a manual collection, where you handpick specific pieces. For this video, we'll choose Manual. You can start by creating a collection name. Today, we're going to create a new arrivals collection for our VIP customers. Now, you can simply hit Add Products to include any jewelry you would like included in this collection. When you're ready, just click Share. Your personalized jewelry collection is now ready for your customers to view. You can either send them a direct link to your website or share it on your favorite social media platforms for wider reach. Want to keep it exclusive? You can also set a password for added protection. Want to print your collection? Stay tuned for our next tutorial, where you'll learn how to print your collections in different languages and connect with your customers to supercharge your sales. And that's how easy it is to create a personalized collection with GemHub. Whether it's new arrivals or a special promotion, the way you share your jewelry with customers will look professional in just a few clicks. For more helpful tips and tutorials, just head to the bottom left and click on Tutorials. You'll discover a wealth of resources to maximize your GemHub experience. Don't forget to follow us on social media. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help. Together, let's redefine what's possible.